Hey guys, we got another one today. Let's do the Brinks shrouded padlock. I think it's about 40 millimeters. Not sure, I don't have a ruler handy at this moment, but I've seen a lot of you guys pick this already. But I figured I'd give it a go since I had one. The bitting is quite challenging actually. Okay, let me see if I can find something a little darker to hold that over so you can see. There we go. That's what the bitting looks like. It's a very decently challenging bitting. I had a lot of fun trying to get this one picked. I'll just get it to focus. Well, you get the idea. Moving on. Lock does work perfectly. So there it is. It's key retaining. So we're locked. Let's see if we can pick this on camera. It's quite challenging for me anyways. Well, I have picked this only a couple times. Let's see if we can do it. Use top tension with a double-ended tension wrench here. I'm going to use the small side. Fits nicely in the top there, and hopefully it has slipped on me a couple times. Hopefully it'll stay and we can get this picked. Okay, so all the way in the back, light tension. And these Brinks are very finicky with the tension, so kinda if you can't get yours picked within 10-15 minutes or so, just try a little different tension. Okay, so moving down the stack. Damn, I knew it was gonna slide out of there. Hopefully this doesn't happen too often. Okay, so all the way in the back, little tension. Let's see what we can do with this. Wow. I'll change my angle slightly. See if we can't do it this way. Yeah, from what I can tell, there are a few serrateds in here. So, take it light on the tension, and when you come across the serrated pin, take it easy and only move it up one click. Excuse me. Move it up one click as you go, and then if you get back to it, move it up another click, and so on and so forth. That's the best way I found to get them picked. This one's really difficult. Oh, yeah, there goes the wrench. Sometimes this core likes to seize up on this lock, so as you're picking it, If you feel like you need to reset, press the shackle down. Sometimes you can even feel the core turn back to its original locked position. So just check on that where you're going. I'm going to try this other wrench here and see if we can get anywhere with this. Alright, got a false set. Got counter rotation on one. He's a high cut pin, so here we go. Got him set. Moving back down the stack. I think I got rotation. Would it be on 3? I think it is. I think I got that one set. Going into the back now. I don't feel anything. Oop, I feel counter rotation on 4. Okay, that felt like a good set. Moving back down. In the back now. If you see my tension wrench move, sometimes it's not the counter rotation, it's me loosening the tension in case I do feel counter rotation. It's my method of detecting false counter rotation. It's kind of when you put too much pressure on the pick and the pick will actually turn the core. It's somewhat misleading, so you have to watch yourself while you're doing this. I can't seem to find my next binder. This is what I usually get myself into with this lock. I get most of the pins. Oh, I feel something. Pin 2 maybe? Pin 2 is a really low cut, so I have to be really careful. There it is. Picked. And just in case we can see, I don't know if you'll be able to, maybe if it'll focus properly, if I can get a good angle in there. See that first key pin? It's serrated. I believe there are serrated pins in chamber 1 and chamber 4, but I'm not entirely sure about that. But there it is, picked. If you haven't come across one of these, if you get a chance to pick it, do pick it, because it's a lot of fun. It's quite challenging, especially when you get a bitting like this. This is a good bitting. So that's it. Have fun. Thanks for watching, and be legal.